Welcome to the future of food, where precision meets flavor, and technology revolutionizes every bite. This is TechRevolt, your go-to destination for uncovering the marvels of food processing. In today's episode, we answer the $1 million question. Who can do it better, machines or humans? Buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey together. In the realm of food processing, minced meat production lines stand as pillars of efficiency and productivity. These automated marvels handle everything from initial meat grinding to mixing, seasoning, and packaging. A high-capacity line can process thousands of kilograms of meat, operating round the clock. Precision engineering ensures consistent texture and quality, meeting the global demand for various minced meat products. The cupcake production line is a marvel of modern baking technology, integrating mixing, portioning, baking, cooling, and packaging into a seamless flow. Capable of producing a substantial amount of cupcakes per hour, this line operates on a two-shift system, allowing for extensive daily production. Such efficiency transforms flour, sugar, and other ingredients into delightful treats, ready for consumption across the globe. Designed to handle a vast array of vegetables, this production line washes, dries, cuts, and packages produce at an astonishing rate. Capable of processing up to tons of vegetables per day, the line runs for approximately 20 hours. Advanced optical sorting technology ensures that only the freshest and most visually appealing vegetables make it through the process. Specialized for delicate handling, this line washes, dries, sorts, and packages blueberries without compromising their integrity. With a capacity to process up to tons of blueberries per hour, the system operates efficiently for about 18 hours daily. State-of-the-art sorting technology removes defective berries, ensuring that only the best reach the consumer. Sausage making is an art turned into a high-volume production with the Big Sausage automated line. From grinding, mixing, casing, to smoking and packaging, the line is capable of producing up to thousands of kilograms of sausage. Continuous operation over 2 shifts can double output, meeting the hearty appetites of sausage lovers everywhere. Precision and hygiene dominate this line, where chicken breasts are cut to specification and packaged. Processing up to thousands of kilograms of chicken breast. The line incorporates advanced vision systems for precision cutting and robotic arms for packaging, ensuring high throughput with minimal waste. With the capability to slice and portion up to thousands of kilograms of meat, this machine is a cornerstone in meat processing plants. It supports the production of precisely portioned meat, ready for further processing or direct sale to consumers. Designed for heavy-duty operation, the chainsaw for pork and lamb can handle up to tons of meat. Its rugged construction and powerful motor allow for continuous operation, providing large cuts that are then processed further down the line. This line turns chicken meat into nuggets through a process of grinding, forming, breading, frying, and packaging. It can churn out more than 1,000 of chicken nuggets, ensuring a steady supply to fast food chains and retail stores. The ice cream production line is a cold, sweet symphony of mixing, freezing, and packaging. With the capacity to produce up to many liters of ice cream per hour, the line operates for hours to cool off hot summer days with a variety of flavors. This machine slices through large volumes of meat with precision, preparing up to insignificant amount of packaging. Operating continuously, it supports the supply chain for delis and supermarkets with ready-to-eat products. Cheese lovers rejoice at the efficiency of the cheese slicing machine. Which processes up to thousands of kilograms of cheese into slices or blocks for packaging. It meets the demands of both retail and food service markets. Spicing up the production line, this machine cuts and deseeds thousands of peppers per hour. Capable of handling up to high amount and running for hours, it supports the production of salsas, frozen foods, and other pepper-based products. Pineapple processing is made easy with this line that peels, cores, slices, and packages up to tons of pineapples in a day period. Efficiency and precision ensure that every piece of fruit is ready for consumption, whether fresh or canned. Mangoes receive a gentle touch in this line that peels, slices, and packages the delicate fruit. Processing up to tons of mangoes, the line features advanced peeling technology that minimizes waste and maximizes output. From dough mixing to baking and packaging, this line produces more than 20,000 cookies in a single day. Automation ensures consistent size, bake, and quality, satisfying the sweet tooth of cookie fans everywhere. And that's a wrap on today's tech-infused food adventure. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. Because at TechRevolt, the future of technology is just a click away. Catch you on the next Tech Revolution.